In this video, I'm going to teach you about angles inscribed in right triangles. Okay, so what does all that mean? I'll explain in detail. So what is angle R? This problem asks. Okay, so here's angle R that we need to try to find. So we have some information that we could see from this picture, but let's go through it step by step. Notice that line RS goes right through the center of the circle. See, it goes right through the center. That's the center of the circle. That means that line RS is the diameter of the circle. It's the entire diameter of the circle. This means the inscribed angle RST is a right angle. So because these two chords attach to this line here that goes right through the center of the circle, that means that this is a 90-degree angle. Okay, this is a right angle. That's what this little square means, 90 degrees. So we can solve for angle R since we know all the angles of a triangle add to 180 degrees. So we have this angle, we have this angle, but we're trying to find this angle. So we have enough information to solve for that because angle R plus angle S plus 90 degrees equals 180. And we know angle S, so we could put that in as 35. So the only unknown is angle R, and that's simple to solve. So we could just add these two together and we get angle R plus 125 degrees equals 180 degrees. So then when we solve for angle R by subtracting 125 from both sides, we're left with angle R equals 55 degrees, which is right here. Okay? And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that. Anyone can do this. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook that you could download. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, you'll find links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. You could check those out if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.